Hi, this is Dr. Danny Brassell coming to you from Kinderhook, New York, the site of President Martin Van Buren's farm. And for you parents out there, I was thinking when we're talking about farming, that's a lot of hard work. And I know a lot of you are thinking it's going to be a lot of hard work getting your kid to become an avid reader. And I don't want you to think that. I want you to let me help you help your child learn how to love reading. It doesn't have to be that hard. What it does have to be is consistent, and that's why we created readbetterinSixty7steps.com. Every day for 67 consecutive days, I'm going to give you a video, only a 5 to 7 minute video, giving you an idea on how to get your kid excited about reading. Some work better than others, but I guarantee you we got something that's going to fit the needs of your child. And believe me, the more you get your kid reading, that's going to relieve a lot of headaches and a lot of late nights for you where you're restless wondering, gosh, how's my kid going to do in school? I can promise you this, folks. If you can get your kid to love reading, they're going to become a much better reader, and reading is going to promote all of your other skill sets. And so I can't wait to go on this journey with you. So go to readbetterinSixty7steps.com. There you can get a complimentary copy of my book, The Reading Breakthrough. That's my gift to you. All these videos are my gift to you because I really am passionate about getting as many kids excited about reading, getting as many families relieved from the stress of having to go to all these tutoring centers and all these programs that really all they do is they make kids hate school, they hate learning, they hate reading. We don't want that. I'm going to teach your kid why to read, how to become a lifelong learner, somebody that wants to learn outside of school. I can't wait to go on this journey with you. Remember, folks, you make a difference every single day, and you are your child's greatest teacher.